Folder or tool taskbar. The folder or tool taskbar springs open either by hovering the three dots at the end of the folder or tool row, or by just right-clicking it. Favorites and misfits. With the taskbar you can set which of your files or folders are your favorites. Once set, you can filter your favorites from the filter section. We always keep the parent folder visible, so you know the category your favorite tool is in. Or you can hide the misfits, using the taskbar. To recover them, just click the hidden icon on the filter section. Learn and research. Quickly find new tutorials for tools with an automated online search. Or find new tools to categories without the need to manually open your browser and writing a search request. Locator and list refresh. Quickly jump to the local file or folder location to reorganize things, and then refresh the list to see the updates in After Effects. Folder types. After you started AE Singularity and defined your tool folder, the first level of folders automatically are set to have the type, category. All other within the structure are set to be normal folders. The difference between normal and category folders is that you can hide the normal ones in a very special way. How to do that will be explained in the next feature tutorial, Auto Cleanup. You can, at any time, switch any folder between its status category or normal, using the taskbar.